Are you feeling overwhelmed by managing your business expenses and income? The Financial Control Excel template is your all-in-one solution to easily track, analyze, and forecast your finances with confidence and clarity. With built-in automated calculations, fully customizable spending and income categories, and easy-to-read visual reports, you'll always have a clear picture of your financial situation. Know exactly where your money is going and discover opportunities to improve, save, and grow. Start taking control of your financial future today. Download the template now and streamline your entire money management process like a pro. This powerful and user-friendly template includes the following features and modules. 1. Settings. This section is divided into 6 submodules, allowing you to set up your income accounts, expense accounts, cost centers, banks, clients, and suppliers. Additionally, you can record potential bank transfers within this module. Proper recording of this data will simplify the records in the following modules. 2. Monthly records. Use an intuitive monthly form to log all income and expense transactions. The template is designed to capture financial data for all 12 months. Here you can register the following data: registration date, classification, chart of accounts, description, payment method, bank, cost center, client or supplier, value and payment date. According to the records, we will automatically obtain the data of balance, total revenue, total expenses, and accumulated of the month. 3. Financial planning. Set your financial goals for income and expenses, and compare them with actual results. This section also includes tools to analyze your current financial position and identify areas for improvement. 4. General reports. This section allows you to access generated reports such as cash flow, income statement, and a comprehensive overview of the financial situation. Below is a detailed description of each report. 4.1.1 General Cash Flow. This report provides data including opening balance, revenue, expenses, profit or loss, accumulated amount, and profitability. It also includes accounts receivable, accounts payable, and cash needs for the respective months. 4.1.2 Bank-specific cash flow. In this module, you can analyze metrics such as opening balance, revenue, expenses, transfers, profit or loss, accumulated amount, and profitability across all your registered bank accounts. A filter is available to segment information by individual bank accounts. 4.1.3 Cost Center Cash Flow. Similar to the other modules, this report displays key metrics segmented by cost centers or departments, enabling a more detailed and segmented view of cash flow. 4.1.4 Customer or Supplier Cash Flow. This module allows you to assess the cash flow performance generated by your customers or suppliers. 4.2 Income Statement. From this module, you can review your income statement to evaluate operating profit, costs, contribution margin, expenses, financial results, taxation, profit or loss, investments, and EBITDA. 4.2.2 Detailed Income Statement. This section offers an in-depth analysis of the results obtained from all registered income and expense accounts. 4.2.3 Income Statement by Bank. Similar to the previous section, this allows you to view an income statement segmented by each registered bank account. 4.2.4 Income Statement by Cost Center. If you wish to analyze your metrics in greater detail, you can segment your income statement by cost centers or departments. 4.2.5 Income Statement by Customer or Supplier. Additionally, you can generate segmented income statements based on specific customers or suppliers. 4.3 Reports. This module provides a summarized view of cash flow, income statement, objectives, accounts payable and receivable, and cost centers. 5. Specific reports. Review your cash flow by day and month, track outstanding balances, accounts payable and receivable, analyze bank transactions, and access detailed reports on different payment methods. Section 5.1 allows you to review daily cash flow movements. Section 5.2 provides the option to analyze open or pending accounts by assigning a specific collection or payment date. In Section 5.3, you can view your accounts receivable and payable data on a monthly basis. Section 5.4 offers a bank overview, enabling you to check the balance generated based on income and expenses. Finally, Section 5.5 covers payment methods, providing a comprehensive report on the statistics of the payment methods used. 6. Dashboards. Based on your entries, the template generates visually engaging dashboards that provide clear insights into your financial health. This module is divided into 5 sections. 6.1 Monthly Analysis. Analyze key metrics such as income, expenses, profit or loss, and monthly comparisons. 6.2 Annual Analysis. In this section, you can analyze the annual performance of your finances. 6.3 Account Analysis. Here you will have the option to segment the data by income and expense accounts. You can analyze key metrics of your financial situation for each account. 6.4 Specific Analysis. This section offers you the ability to analyze data by cost center, by customer or supplier, by bank, and by payment method. 6.5 Cost Center Analysis. Finally, here you can view key metrics of income, expenses, profit or loss, and profitability obtained by cost center or area. Take control of your business finances today with our all-in-one Excel financial control template. Simple, powerful. Get it now and start making smarter financial decisions. Template available at Solis Enterprises. Visit our websites excelprojectsaj.com and en.solisenterprisesstore.com.